Hi everybody, welcome back to Science with Aditya. Today I'm going to show you the special series breadboard. Today is the breadboard 2 series. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tactical push button LED. Now here you can see as soon when you push the switch the light starts glowing. I'll teach you how to make this. For this project you will be needing a 9-volt battery, a, a tactical switch, a couple of wires, an LED, a 100 ohm resistor and a battery connector. Let's begin. First take the tactical switch and place it anywhere on the breadboard. Connect a wire from here to the negative terminal. Once you're done with this, take a shorter wire and connect the front of the switch and place it. Take the LED and so there are two sides in an LED as I explained you in the last video. Take the cathode, place it. The cathode should be touching the blue wire as you can see. Next, take the resistor, 100 ohm. Place the resistor and connect the other end of the resistor in the positive terminal. Now connect the battery connector to the battery in the proper angle. Then keep the red wire in the positive rail and the black wire in the negative rail. Now when you push the switch, the LED does not light up because the LED is wrong side. The anode is the positive side, is the negative side which should always be touching here. Now you can see the LED will light up. I made this mistake purposefully to show you. So always remember the shorter side of the LED should come towards the blue. This is the common mistake that many people do. Now I'll give you a clear view of this project. You can see here. You can take a screenshot if you want. Top view, side view, front view. Hope you like the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell icon below. Thank you.